What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So today I want to give you guys our first impression on these babies right here, those AirPod 4s with ANC. As you can see, we're outside today. We have a ton of traffic behind us. So I'm very curious to see how well these are going to be and also show you the fit from doing a little running around. So first things first, in the case itself, obviously you have your AirPods that look very reminiscent of last year's, as well as those AirPod Pros in a much smaller case. So putting them in is as easy as simply sliding it in and twisting, and they do feel really good. First thing you're going to notice, and I'm going to show you here exactly how they look, they're very, very snug and secure for only being a hard tip and not a silicone tip. So even trying to run around, as goofy as it looks, they're not coming out easily at all. I can tell right off the bat too, ANC is active, but I can hear myself a little more than I would with AirPod Pros 2 that we have as well. So aside from that, you can really see how good of a fit it is. They do feel a little lighter even than what you get from AirPod Pros. Maybe it's the build quality or just the lack of that extra silicone tip, but they are very, very good to wear. So what I want to do now is actually just walk and talk normally and let you know how well it's working. So like I said, there is plenty of traffic out behind us, and it is definitely cutting out, I would say, about 75% of the noise. However, it is not totally gone like you would get from a tighter fit. But from a comfort standpoint, these actually do feel really, really good. As I said in my other video, if you have not seen what I did on the unboxing, the compactness of this case is really, really good. I'm glad they made it a little smaller than the AirPod Pro's case. It'll easily fit right in your pocket and you don't have to worry about it. It's not going to judder and shake all over the place. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to run a little bit like I said, and it's perfectly fine. So just on an average walk, brisk pace, and it's very windy, so if it's a little muted here, I apologize for the noise, but I wanted to give you guys an idea on a daily walk how it works. The one thing I am a little disappointed about though, unfortunately, is that there is no volume control on the stems here. So whereas opposed to on AirPod Pros 2, you have that volume control, you typically only have the button to slide and press. It's purely just a pressure sensitive point right there. You can only pause, play music, answer calls, end calls, things like that. You truly do need your iPhone to actually change the volume, unfortunately. So take that into consideration. It is a little bit of an annoyance, but to save a couple bucks, that might work for you guys as well. Now, phone calls have sounded clear. With voice isolation on your iPhone setting, it does make these calls crystal clear. Haven't had any concerns about people actually having any issues with hearing me. So I have to say, these have been really great to wear. It's been very impressive. So without going into a lot of technical details or any other specs in that regard, what do you guys think? We know by now AirPods look and have that distinctive look to them. There's a ton of competitors in the marketplace right now. So are these going to be your next choice? Comment down below, let us know. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.